I'll make a brief statement before the lawyers come in and address you. The Constitutional Court has dismissed our application, and their argument is that they don't have jurisdiction. In other words, they say they don't have the power to hear the case. In our respective view, the Constitutional Court has made a political judgment. It is an unfair judgment, and we do not accept that judgment. But we have received legal advice, and the matter is not stopping here. We are going to continue with our struggle for democracy. We want free and fair elections in Zimbabwe. And there can never be free and fair elections where the delimitation report is so fundamentally flawed. This is a recipe for disaster for our country. It makes our country a laughing stock. It makes our country's reputation as a constitutional democracy go up in the winds. So we, as the responsible Zimbabweans, we are going to continue prosecuting the people's struggle. We are fortified that we are right, and we are not going to give up. Thank you.
You spoke in riddles. What exactly are you going to do?
Well, we are, as Lenin says in his book, Guerrilla Warfare, there is no prescribed method of struggle. Every method will depend on the circumstances that exist at that point in time. In 2 days' time, the nation will know what cause of